Good day everyone. Today, we have the 2021 Toyota Vios GR. This is going to be a full in-depth review of the Vios GR. Once again, this is Patrick Reyes TV. Let's go and have a review. With the key fob around the vehicle, you could lock and unlock the doors just by pressing this button right here. So it's locked, and to unlock, just press it again. On the inside, you have your leather stitch materials, red accents on the seats as well, Alcantara finish on the middle, red accents as well, manual seat controls, your recliner and your height adjustment, seat position control on the middle. Now to start the engine, you just have to have your key fob inside the vehicle and push the GR button. There it goes, accessory mode. Once more for ignition. And to start the engine, just put your foot on the brake and push the button to start. So before we go and check the inside, let's go and check out the outside first by turning on the headlights. It has auto mode as well, fog lights, and the hazards. And windows is automatic on the driver's side, up and down. And yet again, the Vios finally releases the much-awaited GR-S variant. This is still the 4th generation Vios, but with sportier looks, sportier suspension, and sportier interior. We're used with the TRD branding for higher variants of Toyota vehicles, but this time, Toyota is releasing their GR variants on select vehicles this year. GR stands for Gazoo Racing and GR-S for Gazoo Racing Sports. The first GR vehicle released locally is the GR Supra, and the Vios GR came in second. Well, Toyota does know which vehicle sells like hotcake. When I initially heard about this Vios GR, I was quite skeptical about it, as this could be another gimmick that Toyota makes, another new sport branding with added body kits and different color trims. But I guess I was wrong. They've updated the suspension on this Vios, changed the transmission to a 10-speed CVT, semi-bucket GR-S seats, and wraparound GR-S kits. This is actually a very good choice, as the original top-of-the-line Vios is priced at $970,000, and just add another $50,000 and you'd get the GR variant. I don't need to mention on how reliable these Vioses are, so we all know that the additional $50,000 for the said upgrades for the well-known Vios is a really good deal. Let's go and pop the hood. Now the GR Vios still has the same engine as the outgoing top-of-the-line model of the Vios, which is the 2NR FE 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder dual overhead cam 16-valve engine, which produces 107 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 140 Nm of torque at 4,200 RPM. The GR is paired with the new 10-speed CVT with sports mode. It has a fuel tank capacity of 42 liters. Now let's go and check on the inside. First, we shut off the windows, turn off the hazards, and lower the volume. On the inside, you have your gauge right here, and you have your mini display on the lower right. Let's go and check it out. So you have your different statistics. There we go. Bunch of settings. Past record. Lots of features for a Vios. And the steering wheel is, of course, leather material. Side extensions for better grip. And your red stitchings to, of course, accent the seats as well. Very nice. You have your controls right here for the head unit. This one for the information gauge. Volume up and down. Different modes. That's about it on the steering wheel. Some other controls on the driver's side is you have your all-around parking sensors right over here. Traction control, eco mode, and sport mode. Power window controls. And of course, retractable side mirrors. Of course, the shift knob, they removed it for safety purposes. But this one has a 10-speed automatic CVT transmission. And put the gear on reverse. And you have your rear backup camera. You have your manual mode as well. You can shift up and down. And you have your paddle shifters right over here as well. Power outlet. And the air conditioning control, same as the current Vios, top of the line Vios. So it has auto mode, which is nice. There you go. Your different modes, your circular vents, and so on. Now for the head unit, let's go and check it out. So new interface, new head unit. That's a new sound, of course. Let's increase the volume. Hopefully we could get a signal. There we go. So you also have your Bluetooth audio. Of course, you could connect your phone and play some music via Bluetooth wirelessly. Your telephone, again, via Bluetooth, so you could contact your contacts wirelessly and talk to them. You have your USB input right over here. And that's about it. You also have voice command, by the way. On the top, you have your dome light, left and right. Let me zoom that out, okay, for a better view. So technically, the dashboard is still the same as the top of the line Vios. Still has your leather look materials on the dashboard, but it's actually plastic. Okay, the main thing that I really love about the new Vios GR is the seats, which I will show you right now. These are exclusive to the GR variants. And as you can see, these are bucket seats covered in leather and Alcantara materials. Red stitchings for that sporty look, which hugs you perfectly on the bottom and on your back, as you can see right here. You have extensions, your GR logo. We have that right over there. There we go. Now on the back seat, same accent materials on the leather. On the back seats as well. Very, very nice leather material. Red stitchings. Even on the headrest and the middle headrest, as you can see. Let's go and have a seat. And here's the look of the 2021 Toyota Vios GR. Very nice and very sporty. Okay, let's go and check out the trunk. Rear backup camera right over here, and your electronic switch to open the trunk. Here's the inside. Spare tire, which has the actual rims of the Vios as well, which is nice. Gives you that top of the line feel. And you have a very wide cargo area on the Vios, which by the way is a subcompact car, so very convenient. And you have your ambient light right over here to lighten up your cargo area. Very nice spoiler as well. So, I hope you enjoyed the full review of the 2021 Toyota Vios GR. There's a lot more to come, so please do subscribe, share, and like my videos. This is Patrick Reyes TV, signing out.